Local news for Friday the 20th of September. Kia ora, I'm Brent Gare. The Masterton RSA has put a call out to Wairarapa descendants of people who served in World War I to speak at Armistice Day on the 11th of November. They're looking for great-great-grandchildren or great-great-great-grandchildren who would be confident to speak at the event, preferably of intermediate or early high school age. The current biosecurity ban on pea growing in Wairarapa is knocking down the population, but another pea weevil-free year is needed to be confident of eradication. Providing no more weevils are trapped, Biosecurity New Zealand would look at lifting the ban for the 2021 growing season. Around 70 people turned up last night for the only Masterton Meet the Candidates evening. Candidates answered prepared questions as well as questions from the floor. The event was also broadcast on Wairarapa TV, despite some technical errors, with around 2,000 people watching. And in sport, the Ferriers Wairarapa Bush are away tomorrow to take on Thames Valley in Paeroa. Just 2 points separates them on the table in favour of the Ferriers Wairarapa Bush. However, the Swamp Foxes at home will start as favourites. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.